what you got here?
Good morning, Graham.
Hi. Good morning, Cindy.
Good morning, babe. How are you today?
I'm well, I'm well. Yeah, it's been a very nice morning this morning already.
We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full-time through South Africa. So this whole area is exactly where the actual point is, where those rocks are. It's the last part of the point that sticks into the ocean. So right around this area, in the front of the sea there's a walkway right along the coast. Oh, you must take this off. So this is the sea and the wind today, and if you could smell the sea, it's too beautiful. It's got that sea smell. Wish you could smell it through the video. Yeah, it was so windy, you couldn't even hear Graham talk. So we were just talking about the whales that we had seen sitting on the bench there and viewing them. That's so windy, but why did you find me?
I picked you a flower here. I crept down here. Okay. Nearly fell down. But then when I look here by the steps, I could have picked one here.
So there's a spur here, an ice cream shop, a hotel, and in front is another restaurant that overlooks the waves and a zip line. This is the road. Then there's the cave area, which also overlooks the point. And this is Delfinos. We did have coffee, and I'll try and find the picture. So this is the view from the little place we had coffee at. You can have a buffet. We're going to treat ourselves because we're going to start saving. We've got to put Jaunti through its license, which is $3,000. And we've just done the 2 tires, and then we want to try to start saving for other things. So yeah, what a view and what a place. Like I say, the Caravan park is right there, where that man's walking behind there. Stunning. Smile. Babes, don't put your mouth like that. It's the gorgeous restaurant. It's a midday, so not many people are here. And then there's a whole walkway down there. Here's a guy that sits here, African gent, and he does these most beautiful sand art pieces. You give him some money in his little bucket and he's always doing new ones. We love it.
There we go, we're picking up shells. Ouch. More shells, were they? Yeah. Okay. Almost got you.
Somebody left their shirt here. Look,
The what?
they left their shirt here.
Oh yeah.
Maybe he's diving. There's a boat out there. That one that we always see.
Good morning.
Morning, Graham.
Hi, how's it going?
Oh, we're going on a beautiful walk around the point area.
Yeah.
On the beach, there's a promenade that goes right around, actually.
Oh yeah,
this
that's
side.
around that corner there. Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at the boat there. Look
Yeah.
at the houses along here. How stunning they are. Like beach cottages. Right on the beach, you get to have such good activities right around this area. We love it. This is the Point Caravan Park where we're staying, and
Okay, so this is the ablution loft, or the toilet. Perfect, everything. All nicely tiled up and perfect. Beautiful. Your makeup. You have a shade. But look at this, it's beautiful.
oh, Graham busy braaiing. The braaier.
Yep. On the briar, on the fire. So it's another night, another braai. We haven't had a braai in a while, so yeah, we're doing it. And we've got a couple of other things. What are these, babe?
I don't know.
These are stackers and all that type of thing. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Nice
And then
salad.
we've got a nice salad here as well. So I think we got everything going.
Yeah. Nice ambience, yeah.
Yes, we've got some nice ambience. And we're going to round it off later on with you know what.
Yeah. So I'm just showing you all the caravans in the caravan park. Going a bit fast, but that's it. And all the way down, and to Graham,
Hello.
and to our Jaunti. And then there's a whole lot up at the top over there. these are the most stunning views that we see from our camper van. We just so enjoy it. The putt-putt course, and there's paddle courts as well, all on the beachfront. So much to do just around the point.
You can play paddle court here as well.
Yeah.
Paddle court. It's not paddle court, it's called paddle. It's a new kind of tennis mixed up with softball or something. And the kids can have nice fun with their little jungle gyms. And we're going to try and putt-putt someday. And yeah, we're going to try this place out.
Huh?
Some vintage China.
This is a historic tree in the town centre.
So babes, is this where you say we're going to go?
Yeah,
To this place?
to the...
Okay.
Let's go and have some coffee here at this place. It's famous.
Ah, famous place.
It's famous. Let's
Ah, it
go
must
in.
be because I love the cars here.
Yeah, it's called...
Wow, look at this model of a man, a racing
It's
guy.
called the Blue Shed, man.
Ah, yeah, man.
forgot
Why
the
didn't we
name,
think
sorry.
about that? Okay. This is the nice array of models and things. She makes beautiful boats and everything. Look at all of these. I love it. Such detail. Such a tiny little thing. It's got such a lot of detail on it. Unreal. And then obviously the hanging bikeway on the balloon. He's one of the brokers.
Now, how's this for a quiet place? This is where we can have coffee. Quiet day. Look at those chandelier lights.
And if you look at the back, there's a guy at the back on a motorbike with a big glass balloon.
And look at the ships. We're going to go in now, but
So here we go. Here's Cindy pointing up here. Hello.
this is my favorite place because it's like so antiquated.
Oh, your
beautiful.
Royal Highness, you're in your queen chair.
Yes.
Where's your crown, Your Highness?
See this? Wow. Wow. Wow.
The beautiful V8 model, eh? It's so beautiful. And then, obviously, being an aircraft technician, have a look at this, and I see, wow, look at this. Rolls Royce. Beautifully made.
Speak up.
How's it? That is not.
Beautiful,
Wow.
eh?
This is worthy to a king. So this is my view today. Sitting in my king's chair, and I have my queen right next to me in her chair. Can you imagine? Oh wow, is that nice, Your Highness? Cool.
So this is what we've come here for. how big Graham's cup is. It's huge.
My cup runneth over.
Okay.
My cup runneth over, so Dad give me a bigger cup.
Yeah, it's fantastic. You're also like a king on a chair. Sit back. King Graham.
Yes.
No, we're actually not kings.
What do you want, peasant?
You ugly man.
Where's my coffee I ordered 10 hours ago?
Gee, they're arrogant, huh?
I am tired of waiting like this.
Arrogant. We're actually getting chocolate mousse cake.
Are we going downhill here? Oh
Imagine
no.
him as an arrogant person
King.
in royalty. Terrible.
I would be the greatest.
I think he'd be awful.
In Mossel Bay, I'll have the biggest mussels. Yeah.
Oh, it's, wow.
Now what I do, I put some in the front. There's
Yes.
just one piece, and then I cut the background out of that
wow,
forest.
that's
Okay, yeah,
fantastic.
And then I cut a few trees and I
Yes.
plant
And
them in the
superimpose
front,
it.
and then
Yeah.
I put animals.
With little blocks behind.
Fantastic.
I've made some of them up to 5 levels deep.
Wow.
This one is. I've got a series that I'm going to put
Oh,
on
that's
here once
stunning.
all is up that I'm working on.
So this coffee shop we had coffee in. We got out of town after this, and I tell you, around this whole area it is superb. A visit to Mossel Bay, the point is, should be on your list. Coming in, we heard him, what do you call it, hooting? Hooting. Hello everybody and goodbye.
Hello everybody and goodbye. Hi everybody. Okay, well this is the end of the video and Cindy's got some little things she wants to say.
Okay, we're going to be travelling to Oatswin soon,
Wow.
next week, to see the Kango
Oh
Cave.
yes, you're going to go and see ostriches.
But we still got more to show on Mossel Bay area.
Quite a bit.
And yeah, we're still here for another month actually. And then we want to just say, any of you got to this point on the video,
Yes.
this point,
Yes.
the point,
The point, Mossel Bay Point.
please leave us a little smiley to say you got this far, and let us and subscribe,
And we're pointing it out.
please.
Yes.
Vanlife.
If you can subscribe, that would be awesome. And you know what? Put a message in there. We want to see people communicating.
Smiley face. So
Yeah.
you got here.
A little smiley emoji. What do they call it?
Emoji.
Emoji.
I think.
No, cool guys.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Go.
Okay, bye from Cindy and Graham.
Ciao.
Bye.